Assalam Alikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is our Canva series, and in the previous video we talked about how to make the attractive thumbnails, Facebook posts, 3D logos, posters, banners and much more. But today I will teach you how to use the glitter effect in Canva by using the mobile phone. You can also design by using your computer and laptop. So before we start our video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So let's start. So we will make this kind of glitter design. For this you can simply go to the frames and you can see here are different frames. You can select any of them, but I am selecting this alphabet frames. You can arrange all the frames in an attractive manner. Then I will select L, then ITTER, and I will arrange all that in an attractive manner. After selecting all the alphabets, you can arrange them in a very beautiful or attractive manner. Then you can go and search the glitter effect. For this, if you are working on a laptop, then you can see elements on the left bar. You can click on elements and search the glitter effect. You can type a glitter effect. Then you can see a many glitter effects. You can simply select the design you like the most, and then you can simply drag that specific effect, glitter effect, and drop on that alphabet. Same process you can done on the other alphabets. In all the process, you can simply select the frames first of your choice, and then you can simply drag the glitter effect and drop on that alphabet. You can also use different colors to make them more attractive. And this is all about today's lecture. I hope you learned a lot from this. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.